Hey guys, it's Eggfief here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my Fran makeup. First, I'm going to start out by putting on my wig cap, that way no hairs will get in my face, but of course this isn't a required step. Next, I'm going to apply a face moisturizer. Now I'm going to apply some foundation that is a bit lighter than my natural skin tone. Then I'm going to blend it in with a beauty blender. But you can use whatever works best for you for blending.
By creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Once I am done applying my foundation, I use a baby powder as a setting powder, as it is a cheaper method and it works just as well. Next, I'm going to take the lightest color in my eyeshadow palette and use it as a base.
So then, why?
After that, I'm going to apply a dark brown eyeshadow, as Fernbo's eyelids are very dark. After that is done, I'm going to use a white eyeliner stick in the corners of both my eyes, as it will help to make them look a little bit bigger. Then I will apply some mascara. Next, I will fill my eyebrows in with a dark brown that will match the color of my wig. Now I'm going to apply blush on my cheeks and the tip of my nose. Next, I will apply a natural shade of lipstick. And now you are all done. I really hope you are able to find this video helpful, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and good luck on your cosplay journeys.